Yeah.
We are 3 laps into the season.
That's big damage.
Oh, that's a tire. Oh shit.
Yeah, that thing's fucked.
That wasn't even
hold on, can you screen share?
Sucks.
I'm surprised there's no damage to that.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, it's on fire! It's on fire!
It's on fire,
Dave.
Oh shit!
Yeah, that's a DNF. That is a DNF for sure.
Yeah.
You gotta get out of there, David.
Tan 4.
Damn.
Gotta get out there.
Man. That wasn't even her fault.
Yeah,
at
we're under
all.
caution.
It's rough.
Yep, caution.
I'm on fire, Ricky Bobby.
Jesus Christ. They the fucking. They
just threw her out of the truck.
God damn.
Jesus Christ.
Fucking wife abuser over here.
Wow. Hashtag me too.
What if that tire explodes like that Paul Menard one?
I don't think that'll ever happen again, man.
Oh, I think it just did. Oh, never mind.
No.
Oh no,
Robbie
Robbie Lyons got the wall too.
How many
Shit.
people
how
cut
did
the
like
wall?
3 people hit the wall?
How the fuck did that happen?
Oh, let's see what
Oh,
happened.
the 28 had a
Oh,
tire.
he blew a tire.
He
blew a tire.
Oh,
the 42.
everybody's blowing a tire.
Uh-oh, Goodyear.
Yeah, the 20 just blew a tire and
Everybody's blowing it.
So the 28, the 17, the 42, and the 54 are all victims of tire
let's
issues.
just acknowledge the fact that Angela Rutch has an onboard camera.
Yeah.
What's
Angela
hashtag ready,
Rutch
set,
has a
go?
fucking onboard.
Oh my god, his roof is just bed flap.
Oh!
Big crash!
Oh no! Oh my
Oh,
god!
it came out of focus at the worst second.
Fontaine, no!
Oh.
Fontaine,
Fontaine,
02,
Cicerelli.
and 29.
Is that
Every
the
fucking
02?
year.
Is that Hill?
Yeah, it's the 02.
It's 02, 49, and
Hill's
47.
not on the 02 anymore.
I don't know
Fontaine
who's in
gets
the 02.
fucking wrecked every
And so, is that
Cicerelli.
And I think it's Boyd in the 02. I could be wrong.
Fancy ball.
No, Boyd is in the 20.
Oh, he's in. I don't know who's in the 02.
Yeah, hold on. Your webcam went out of focus at the worst part.
Oh, really? I never knew that.
Yeah, like it blurred as soon as it.
No. The never mind.
I think Cicerelli's stuck in the grass.
They're about to
How
tell
is he
Tyler
climbing out of the
Dipple.
truck? He has that's
Dipple.
Tyler Dipple.
Yeah,
Okay.
Dipple's already getting out.
How is he getting out? He doesn't even have that much damage.
I'm gonna dipple my cock in your
I
ass.
mean, look at the fucking right side of his
The
truck.
right side is fucked.
What?
So just get a hammer and beat it out.
Excuse
That
me.
sounds
Oh,
really bad.
Greenfield.
Not know.
What happened to him?
Do you not know what toe is?
Oh, they stacked up.
Oh yeah, toe exists. Yeah,
Deja
that
vu!
right front scooter.
Oh, so Dipple just.
Oh,
went,
shit!
Cicerelli hit the grass and his front end just got
Oh
torn
my
off.
god.
Oh, Bobby Gerhardt.
Fontaine, that hurt.
Dude, Fontaine was
rough.
gonna miss that, and then just Dipple just
That
fucking
reminded me
flew
of-
off the track.
That reminded me of fucking yesterday. I was spotting Jace for the 500, and a guy got fucking hooked, and he went on the bottom of the track, in the grass in turn 3.
He went right.
And he came back up the track and went into Jace.
Dude,
His car just.
Didn't Mullen post a gif of like Jason's damaged car or something?
Yeah, Connor posted probably.
Hey, Angela Rush is about to get to the top 5.
Go, Angelo.
Here she
The
goes.
most unlikely of events, Angela.
Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh my
no,
god!
that was a big
Jordan
thing.
Anderson!
Oh no!
Sauter's in it, Sauter's in it, big
Dude.
one.
Solder
That's
Creed.
everybody.
That's everyone.
Hey, you know what though? You know what?
Involved.
You know what?
Dude,
There's a
Anderson
Coke
hit-
twin in the top 5 where everything is right.
No, Anderson hit really.
Anderson
really
just
hard.
dilled it in truck number
Oh
3.
shit!
God, man, that did not look good.
Dude,
Sauter's
Ekis has a lot of damage.
Oh my god!
Oh my
Look how
God.
angled that is.
Dude, Anderson fucking clobbered the wall.
Dude, that's one of them NASCAR like smashable diecast.
They replay the wreck. Oh, this is gonna make us cringe for sure.
Oh, look out! This is gonna hurt.
I mean, oh,
Dale, no!
oh, Jesus.
That really wasn't. That
And then he
really
got
wasn't that
got
hard,
hit again
guys.
after that.
It really wasn't that
Oh,
hard.
Crafton made it through.
That's about a good 2.5
man.
years.
Friesen got damage.
Gustine got in that in the background.
Friesen got damage. That's how.
Look at that.
Enfinger got hit. Oh, Moffat hit the outside wall pretty decent too.
Ekis got some air.
Wow, Sheldon Creed didn't touch shit. Look at him.
Yeah, he did. He hit.
Yeah, he
someone.
did. He hit the wall.
Who is that? Who is that on the bottom? I forget. I can't tell who that is.
Oh, the 12 hit freezing.
Someone just ran off.
The 68 and the 87.
Oh, Friesen locked up.
Went down pit road to miss
It was like a blue truck. I don't remember who it
Friesen
was.
had nowhere to go.
Greenfield,
so
I think.
That sucks.
Yeah, what? Greenfield got fucking lucky. He was right next to
Yeah,
Tyler.
Also,
Oh.
Gillen got right side damage in that. If you look at that, he hit Gillen.
Where's Greenfield? Yeah, there he is. Look at
Gillen
him.
hit Gillen.
Yeah,
in the pit road.
Greenfield went down pit road, and so did Nemechek and Crafton.
For JR Junior Motorsport.
That's not Hendrick. I mean, it is.
Oh, there they go. No, Roper!
Oh my God! He got Denny Hamlin.
No.
He got Hamlin.
Oh.
Jeez. Damn
Hey,
it, man.
Hey, you know what? It's okay because Clay Greenfield's
No.
gonna win the race.
Damn.
Corey Roper looks like the dude from Resident Evil 2.
Oh, he
Alright, so
washed
what
up.
happened?
I called it. Yeah, he washed up.
Oh,
sucks.
yeah.
And bang.
Well, I mean, it sucks that happened, but at least he didn't take anybody else with him.
Yeah, he got Hamlin basically.
What?
What a move.
Because Gus Dean's the fucking man.
Oh,
No. Oh, they're right.
Oh, no!
Oh!
There they go, yep.
Todd
Wait, was
Gilliland.
that Gilliland? That was Gilliland in the wall! And Burton. Burton got in
Burton
it,
and
too.
Gilliland.
Well, if I can see the
no.
screen.
Trucks got in it.
He just clipped somebody.
Oh, no! Gerhardt! He clipped Gerhardt! Gilliland clipped Gerhardt at the end. If anybody
No, he's still
didn't-
going. I see him. I saw him. He's good.
Oh, he clipped him, though.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Fucking Todd Gilliland's truck is so fucked up. It was like the Smithston mod now. UK pickups.
He was fifth earlier.
What happened? Oh, fucking Burton.
Oh, of course. It's Todd Gilliland pushing.
Gilliland fucking hooked
Yeah,
him. Gilliland.
Todd-
Oh, David got front end damage too on that.
Yeah,
Oh,
Todd
David.
Gilliland spun.
David ran
Harrison
into the
Burton.
back of Todd.
Why didn't
Yeah,
they show-
Todd-
Never mind.
Todd wrecked Harrison because he's a fucking moron.
Todd Gilliland does not know when to stop pushing. I swear to God, that dude's an idiot.
Well, no shit, he's a Gilliland. They're not used to being good at plates.
See, David's the good Gilliland.
Yeah, if you this replay won't show, but David hit the back of Todd on that.
Yeah.
Where's Gerhardt's wreck? I want to see.
Dude, if that happened...
I don't know if they're gonna show it. Oh wow, you got a lot of air on that. I didn't realize.
Holy shit, freezing!
If that car was going
Yeah,
any
40.
faster, that thing would have done a Christopher Bell.
Yeah. Oh, they're not. They're just
Oh,
not.
Gilliland moved up and fucking spun him. That was all him. That
was like a carbon copy of when he wrecked McReynolds in ARC last week. It was the exact same thing.
If it's for like longer
Come
than
on,
2
Nemo
seconds.
check. You're fourth.
No,
I don't think it
Are they
was.
gonna penalize Hill for passing
Come
before
on,
the line?
Nemo. Oh!
Oh no!
I called it! I called it! Oh my God,
Gustine in the outside.
Oh no!
No! There they go! Oh, there goes
Oh,
everybody.
man.
There goes
Austin Hill!
everybody.
Austin Hill wins!
Wait, somebody missed it. Who missed that?
Austin Hill did!
The lead.
Austin Hill wins the racing back!
Friesen
Check
got
me
hit.
out.
Freed's
Aw,
on fucking
Neiman
fire.
Nemechek's out, I think.
Wow.
Reed's on
Overtime.
fire.
It's gonna be overtime.
Get out of that car!
I'm
Oh my
fucking
God,
Jesus.
that thing is...
Freed fucking
Get
hell.
out!
Sheldon!
Get out
No,
immediately.
he's breaking. He's breaking. His brakes are that bad right now. Oh my God!
Twin Towers!
Jesus Christ!
That thing's well
Yeah,
done.
we're gonna have overtime.
That thing's well
Bobby
done.
Gerhardt is 6th! Oh my God!
Oh!
Josh Ream! Oh no!
Josh Reum, oh my God.
Oh, yeah, so,
and Timothy Peters! Oh my
Yeah.
God! And Gil
Rutsch missed it because she fucking lost the. Oh, Gustine, no.
Aw, man. Carolina nut.
The road.
Oh my God!
Nemechek's in it too. Damn.
No, I figured it out. Gus Dean looks like autistic fucking.
That was such
what
an aggressive
happened?
block.
So what?
He spun himself on Sheldon Creed.
Oh yeah, he blocked too
Crafton,
late.
unbelievable. How do you
How
make
did?
it out?
Oh, Gilliland was in it again. That's like the fourth fucking wreck that Gilliland.
Gus Dean tried to get him in line with Sheldon and get the run, and he just fucking.
I can't believe Austin Hill barely missed that too.
Look at Ross Chastain! Look at Chastain!
Aw, freaking
Oh,
Chastain.
Oh, but Boyd missed it. Spencer Boyd missed it. Let's go.
That's such an
Boyd's gonna
aggressive
be, like,
block.
third.
I called it that fucking Hill and
Also, shout out to Grant Enfinger in the background, just limping around the track.
Oh, look at the 99. That thing nearly flipped.
Yeah, it almost weight shifted like Crafton.
Oh my God, Gerhardt!
Oh no, watch that replay. Crafton got the outside wall.
Look at Austin Wayne self.
Oh, did he scrape it?
Look.
Yeah.
Watch
But no, if you watch the replay again, Crafton's the outside wall.
Dude, watch Gerhardt get lucky. He fucking barely.
Green.
I think Rush knows she's slow.
Are we
so
gonna
she
wreck
does.
again, or are we not gonna wreck again? Oh my God, they're gone.
Hill's about to wreck
Come on,
Crafton already.
Gerhardt. Gerhardt, go.
They're gonna get a run though, because they're all back there together.
Yeah, but they're underfunded trucks, so they're not gonna get a run on him.
Come on,
Well,
Gerhardt.
yeah, they have the ones on the bottom are
No, somebody's
Spencer Boyd.
sparking. Oh no,
Oh
Gerhardt.
no, and they're gonna wreck. Oh yeah, they wrecked
no.
Gerhardt.
Oh.
Is that gonna be that's got to be a caution. Caution's out. Gerhardt and Self.
Oh no, he was about to spin
Rutsch
into a.
missed it. Rutsch missed it again.
Ruts. God
Damn it,
damn
Gerhardt. No.
Dude, Rutsch only avoids wrecks because she 7 miles an hour.
Shit myself.
Here
Chastain!
we go, white
Look at that white
flag.
flag. This is it. This is it. This is it. Next flag ends
Next
the race.
flag ends it.
Chastain's out of it
What a
unless they
shit
all wreck.
show, man.
It's gonna be Austin Hill.
Everybody's
Austin Hill's
evenly
gonna win.
spread out.
It's either gonna be Hill. It's gonna be Hill or Infinger. I don't think Chastain has.
Winning, but
This is the
It's
freaking.
gonna be Infinger.
Nobody's making
this
any
will also be
moves
the
yet.
best
Here we
career
go.
finish for these
It's
two
gonna be
races.
Hill or Infinger. I don't think Chastain has the speed to get around.
All right,
Infinger.
when is Enfinger gonna fucking go? There. Oh boy.
He faked him. He faked him. Chastain's about to dump him.
No, Hill's gonna win now.
Nope. Crafton
waited.
just. Oh!
They waited.
Highline? Highline
win.
forming?
Oh,
Infinger's about to dump him.
Hill's win,
Hill's
man.
gonna win.
Hill's win.
Hill's
Infinger-
gonna win.
Yeah,
Hill's
Austin
gonna
Hill
win.
wins.
Austin Hill wins.
Hill wins. Jesus Christ.
Nice.
Austin Hill.
Ross Chastain gets third. Spencer Boyd beats out Matt Crafton for fifth. Josh Riem gets sixth.
Tori wins again. I love that.
So yeah,
Timothy Peters seventh. Angela Rutsch gets eighth in our series debut.
So yeah, Hattori has.
Nemco.
So yeah, Hattori's won 2 races in a row.
Oh, yeah.
Yay.
I'm at it.
Dude, look at
What a
him.
fucking.
Dude, he looks like that one dude from LA Noir. Like something. What? I forget which guy it
Spencer
is.
Boyd and his. Oh my! Enfinger got second in that beat up fucking shitbox.
I was hoping that like Chastain was gonna make it wide, but I'm happy with Hill.